Good evening, sir. My name is Robin Anthony. I'm a student of architecture. I would like to ask you, in the Bible, during the Last Supper, Jesus Christ took the bread and the cup of wine. He gave thanks and said, "Take this, all of you, and drink from it. This is my body, which will be given up for you. Do this in memory of me." Why did he say that?
The question posed is that during his Last Supper, he gave bread and he told them to drink. Why did he say it? When he gave the bread, if you're talking about Gospel of Luke, chapter number 24, verse number 36, when he goes in the upper room and he meets the 12 apostles, he goes and he tells and wishes them Shalom Alaikum, may peace be on you. And the apostles are shocked that how could they see Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. And he says, you handle me and see, for a spirit has no flesh and bones. He says, take and see my hand. Handle me and see, for a spirit has no flesh and bone. Because at that time, his disciples had thought that Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, was dead. So when Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, comes in front of the apostles, and he says, you handle my hand and feet, and see, a spirit has no flesh and bones, because they think that he died and now he's come back in spirit form. So he's telling them that I'm not a spirit, I'm a human being yet. Then he says, do you have any broiled fish and honeycomb? Do you have something to eat? They say yes. So he took the bread and honeycomb and he ate. He ate to prove to them that he was not a spirit, but he was a human being. To prove to them that he did not die on the cross, he was alive. He took bread, broiled fish and honeycomb to prove it to them that he was not a spirit, but he was a human being. And this matches with what I said earlier, that Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, did not die, but he was alive. Hope that answers the question, brother.
Yes, please.
Brother, do you believe that there is one God?
Yes, please.
Do you believe Jesus is God?
No.
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is messenger of God?
Yes.
MashaAllah, if you believe that there is one God, and you believe Prophet Muhammad is a messenger of God, that means you're a Muslim. Would you like to say it in Arabic?
Yes, please.
Is anyone forcing you to become a Muslim?
No.
Are you doing it out of your own free will?
Yes, please.
Is anyone paying you money?
No.
I say it in Arabic and you can repeat it.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abdul
wa rasuluhu.
Rasul.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is none worthy of worship
there is none worthy of worship
except Allah,
except Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Prophet Muhammad
Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant of Allah.
and servant of Allah.
Takbir. 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 MashaAllah, become a Muslim, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant you Jannah and may He give you the best in this world and the Akhirah. I would like to give you a translation of the Quran. You're most welcome to come on the stage, brother.